Hi, this is Adityan from Mockat. Today, we look at the selection criteria for IIM Indore, continuing a series about various top MBA business schools and their selection process. There are multiple reasons why IIM Indore is a choice for many MBA aspirants. It is ranked 8th by the NIRF 2023 ranking. It is recognized as an institute of national importance, and the institute has one of the best faculty members and course curriculum in the country. The average package stands at 30.2 lakhs per annum, and the highest package is around 1.14 crores per annum. IIM Indore has a strong alumni network where students have taken up careers in various fields of management. IIM Indore utilizes an admission process designed at identifying individuals with the highest potential for their MBA program. The selection process has 3 stages. Eligibility criteria. All applicants who apply for the 2-year PGP of IIM Indore must satisfy the eligibility criteria mentioned in CAT website and also the minimum sectional percentile and overall percentile scores in CAT. Shortlist for personal interview. Only those candidates satisfying the requirements mentioned in stage 1 will be considered for this stage for shortlisting for personal interview. Final selection. The candidates satisfying the requirements mentioned in stage 2 will only be considered for final selection. Category-wise merit list will be generated based on final composite score. Stage 1. Eligibility criteria for personal interview. Minimum CAT percentile required to be considered for personal interview are as follows. Stage 2. Calculation of composite score for shortlisting for personal interview stage. Only the candidates securing the minimum sectional and total percentiles for the respective category in CAT will be considered for stage 2. The composite scores in stage 2 shall be computed based on the following factors. Stage 3. Final selection for MBA program. The final selection list will be based on merit in each category. A composite score is calculated and students are selected based on the score. A candidate's final score for selection for the batch 2024 to 2026 will be calculated on the basis of the assigned weights as summarized in the table. The statistics for IIM Indore Core MBA 2023 to 2025 batch are as follows. These are the number of candidates who filled the form and the number of candidates who got shortlisted for personal interview and the number of candidates who got final offer. We will be putting up more videos about various colleges, VAT and personal interview content, B-School deadlines and much more content in our YouTube channel. Stay tuned and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications. Do like the video if you found it helpful. Thank you and good luck.